of 1.7 lakh. Because as I said that the to achieve luxury is an endless race because of the human nature. That's why that is the example. And according to them, we can buy anything. Are which kind of peace here?
Right.
They have fake relationship, fake Keith and Kins.
Oh my God! He's just an example of Muskan in other, right?
Yes, sir.
They have chopped like potato. Oh, carry on, please.
So they are also saying that we can buy anything. So yeah, they can buy anything like drugs, smuggling. That's why they are caught.
Wow.
That's why they are caught. And no other parents want to. And if I give the example of our society, our parents also want to see in sir abhav.
Wow means lack of.
Our parents also want to see us in lack once in our life, because they want to make us the hard worker. Because PM Modi, one of the popular leaders of the world, also saw the common and poverty life. That's why the common life is better than luxurious life.
All right, hand over the mic. Fantastic. Now please, this group will be faced by Miss India. Stand up, please. Yes, give them mic. They are very aggressive. Are you ready to face them?
So,
Yes,
so according to me, luxurious life is better than common life, because the people of the student of the son of rich person, they also know the how to earn money, but the son of a common person, they don't know the how to reach money, but they know the how to waste money.
all right, hand over the mic, Mr. Others.
So according to me, luxury life is better than common life, because as you know that all the big leaders are given luxury life to live. Why they are not given common life to live with security?
All right, yes.
How you can say that common life is better? You do hard work for get a luxurious life.
Oh my God, Virat.
So if you say money cannot buy happiness, so I want to tell you that if I give others 50,000 rupees, actually if I give anyone 50,000 rupees, so he will be happy, he won't be sad. And if I give 1 CR,
See it.
so if I give 1 CR to anyone, he will go and buy his favorite things. Someone will buy BMW, someone will buy Audi, someone will buy PS5. And if he is saying, and if Mr. Parth is saying that rich people get the addiction of drugs, so that is wrong. Rich people get, but all the much cases are in poor people. The people who are living common life, they are getting the addiction of drugs because they have tension, and to remove tension they use drugs, they use beer, they use alcohol. So according to me, luxurious life is better.
Are you killed or are you breathing? Will you give them answer? Yes, sir. Right, take this.
So firstly, I want to tell you that common life, it's not mean a poor, belongs to poor family. Common life, it's that the parents have a much more capability that they have to teach them, teach their children.
Stand up. Yes.
They have the much more capability that they teach their much more educated, and they have a much more capability ki they have everything they give to their children, everything they have that much more capacity. And the other hand, they spend their time with the children, and they don't, and in the luxury life, parents have no time in their business, and they are doing jobs, so they have no time, much more time to spend their children.
Wow,
And
very good.
in the common life, the relatives and their friends meets for love and a connection. And the luxurious life, the people comes for money, not for your love and connection.
Okay, right.
Sir, firstly, I want to tell someone who has put up the
Someone
matter.
not see.
Sir, firstly, I want to
Not kill very
answer.
first
Sir,
see.
I will answer her also. Firstly,
Right.
someone has said that many people suicide in luxurious life. So I want to tell them that first when there was
Who was saying?
Sir, I don't remember.
Who was saying? Parth? Stand up, Parth.
So,
Who was saying? Yes.
he was saying
now
that-
this is the personally battle. And who was saying? And who was saying? Tell me now, please.
Sir, they were.
This is the time to take revenge. Who is there?
Sir, I
Who
don't
was
know. They
there?
were. Sir, firstly.
Anamika was saying, stand up, Anamika. Stand up, Anamika, stand up. Asta was saying, stand up, Asta. Stand up, please. Yes, Anamika, please stand up.
Sir, they were saying.
Anamika, please stand
Sir,
up.
please
Asta.
let me speak.
Yes, okay,
Let
kill
me-
now.
Sir, they were saying that many people suicide in luxurious life. So I want to tell them that when there was a matter of NEET paper leak, so many students who have suicided, they were from common family, and they were not from luxurious family.
Very good.
And they still got justice. And if I want to tell you that someone was saying that you have happiness, so try to pay the hospital bills and get education by happiness alone.
You want to be killed by Namika?
Sir, whoever you
Anybody? You are challenging her. Oh my God, challenging. You accept challenging.
As you are saying that means the neat paper leaked, there was a means who was suicide, they were belonging to a common family, and the person who was taking the tea in the house, that was a Dharmen Paras, and now he's resigned and he's also a luxurious person. Which kind of luxurious if you don't provide a much good paper? Which type of?
So I want to tell Ms. Namika that his students are living in America and having education, and still he has resigned. He has said that it is because of personal matter, but we all know that because of the protest only he has resigned, and the luxurious life that he has, he is not gonna miss the luxurious life because he already has saved so much money that he won't suffer
You
afterwards.
want to be killed by only female or male?
Sir, as you wish.
As you wish, Parth. As you wish. As you wish. Fast, please.
So
Very bold.
so according to me, they are saying that the money is everything, and the paper. She also described the cases of the paper leak. But if I want to tell you that a luxurious person can make the house with the power of his money, but a common person makes the house happy. And also I want to give the example of that character whom I'm going to play the character of Lord Ram. He also spent his luxurious life, but after that he also spent his 14 years as a common person. What will you give the example? He is all in all. He's all in all. Whom will you give the example more? None other example is more better than him.
This girl has much hatred for you. Give now, give. She wants to express by her words.
Sir,
Much hatred.
Sir,
Look at straight into
sir,
the eyes.
I am not saying anything about Lord Ram, but I want to answer him that as he said that Lord Ram has spent 14 years in his exile, so I want to
But
tell
at
him.
last he became king or not?
Sir, at last he became king, and sir, let me complete. Sir, when he became king, after getting a luxurious life, what is the means of getting a luxurious life? When he sacrificed his own wife for the sake of the people. He sacrificed his own
Wow,
wife.
very good, very good. Who wants to give the answer of this question? Who wants to give? Yes, Palak.
Like Miss Arya said that at last he lived the life of very luxurious. It's not a luxurious life. Which type of luxurious life you are talking? She is talking about luxurious life is mean that when your family is with you and with your kith and kins are very happy with you. But it is not so. Like I wanna tell you, I wanna ask you that in our Prime Minister in our country, Mr. Narendra Modi, he has also left his wife also Yasodhara because of which type of luxurious life. And now his brother. I'm missing his name. His brother also selling the rosary. Which type of luxurious life? When you don't give the happiness to your family, your kith and kins, which type of luxurious life you are talking about?
You saying that is right, but better lifestyle and better school and better money. Without money you cannot study.
Which type of better style you are talking about when you are
Wait. Once a time.
So is the PM Modi of our country. He is the Prime Minister of our country. The person, the students are studying here. The students are practicing here. This is the given of our Prime Minister. He sacrifices his wife, and the brother is telling we all are his brother and sister. We all are like his brother and sister because he is the God of this country. If he wants, so he can destroy all over the country.
Wow, very good. Yes. Once a
So you are saying that PM Modi, so he is not the PM Modi. He is very bad person because
Don't say this. He's
sir,
not PM.
because he leaked 2 times NEET exam, and I am saying that because PM Modi leaked 2 times.
It may be our thought, but we cannot say our PM because we have elected the person.
Yes sir, we have elected a person because but PM Modi is leaked 2 times and he So
only officer, not minister. Only the system leaked. Officers and the people who are working, they may, but not ministers and not prime minister.
so he is PM and he has the.
Listen to me. If a student is cheating in our school board examination, neither principals or nor I, we are not guilty for it, right? The person is guilty, especially. Who, listen to me, why the papers are leaked? Who is the responsible? People are responsible. They are giving bribe. They are buying you that papers. Yeah, right, because they want to be
They are living in luxurious life.
luxurious life. They have crore rupees. They have lakhs rupees. Yes. Once at a time. Yes, sit down. Please, sit down.
Like the person said that we have to live the smart life. Which type of smart life you are talking about when your family members are not happy and you are talking about luxury? Which type of Anand Ambani? You are saying that Anand Ambani, every people are expert, and in our family, like in our common family, in a person always abusing Anand Ambani. Why Anand Ambani, Mukesh Ambani? Why? Because they said that they are not a good person. Because having a luxurious life, it is not you having the comfortable life. Like in our family, in every families, there is also a common family. But now if you talk about mine, so I want to see that my maternal uncle, he is not also a very rich person, but he is also every Sare Dham.
All means he has visited all the pilgrims.
He visited all the pilgrims, and he also went the last stage of our India. Yes, and we can say that he is very rich person. No, if you do hard work, so you can achieve anything else.
Sit down. Anybody else?
You saying that Anand Ambani is no right. Anand Ambani is a humble person. He help kind person.
Wait.
Sir, one time.
Yes.
Anand Ambani is a humble person. He help in Maharashtra.
He helped in Maharashtra. And how can you help if you don't have money?
Money cannot buy it. Money cannot buy it happens directly, but buy it. But you can buy it. But you can buy it. Better school and better lifestyle with money.
Which type of better style you are talking about? The person who are
Stop. Yes. Others.
So if you are saying that a luxurious person have the wealth, so in the 48 days, where are your luxurious person? Where are the luxurious people? Why he don't help the student who are asking for their contribution?
Yes. Right.
So everyone want to get a bad thing to a good thing. Even the person is belonging to a common life, he want to live luxury life because luxury life is good than common life.
Yes. Again, remember.
Living a luxurious life, it's a necessary thing for us. We just full of necessary things what we want. If a person is educated, so it's not like he has a luxury person. I give example. Gautam Buddha was a king of his nation, but why he leave his kingdom? Because of peace. And how would say that a common person can do everything that a luxurious person not ever do in life.
As you are saying that Gautam Buddha had lived his kingdom, so you can give an example, but not all are same. If you can take example of Elon Musk, he has struggled, he learned coding, and then he become a luxury person, and now he has this much money, he can do anything, whatever he want. He does not have to think for it even a single minute.
Yes.
I have another example. The second Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri, being a Prime Minister, he lived his life in common life. He spent his life commonly. Why? She always used to wear kurta.
Who wanna give the answer? Who wanna give the answer from this side? Anybody else? Open opportunity for you. Don't say that sir is not giving opportunity. Anybody else? Mr. Virat.
So first of all, you cannot show it. Sir, I want to answer the previous points also. Yes, sir. So first of all, you cannot say that leaving your wife behind is an achievement. And second of all, who is buying the lead papers? The person who wants to see his child become successful. The person who is living common life, he is willing everything to buy the paper. And if you are saying that Gautam Buddha left for peace, so didn't he come back? So did he just? Let me speak first. So first of all, and second of all, if you are saying that money cannot buy peace, so you are wrong. If you spend money and if you go to anywhere, if you go to Switzerland for example, how do you go? By walking? No, you don't go by walking, you go by flight. Flight needs money. You have to pay money, then then you book flight and then you go. So you cannot say that we cannot buy peace from money.
Yes, give answer. Ashta will give you the answer.
You want to go to Switzerland with alone and without any family member. You feel loneliness.
Challenging you openly. Carry on, yes.
Luxury things only fill the house, not the loneliness of your soul.
Yes, take the mic, yes.
As you all are saying that,
All are people challenging you.
as you all are saying that in a luxurious life there is a much money, and
इज्जत का मामला है तुम लोगों में. Come on, please.
as you all are saying that in luxurious life you have a much money and you don't have anything tension. So I want to tell you that having a much money is also a causes of depression. And if you have much money, you will also.
So why does your mother in the rickshaw? Brother, please let 10 rupees. Brother, please let 20 rupees. So why does your mother?
You, sir, आपके पास पैसा बचाने का तरीका नहीं है.
Yeah, you don't know.
You don't have way to save your money. You are belonging to a luxurious person and you don't know the feelings of a common person. You are also thinking that, and I want to tell you that, and I want to tell you all that luxurious doesn't mean that you have a life and you have a big house and you have a sports car. It doesn't mean luxurious. Luxurious means comfort, and if you have comfort, so you can live your life in a hut. There's not need of a big house.
Okay, listen. If you have to go to someone minute. If you have to go to Fatehpur, so you can go by foot or you can go by bicycle.
Just listen. To go to Fatehpur, there's a distance only 35 kilometers and there's a cost only 45 rupees. And a common person, they are not belonging to a poor person. They have money, so they can go to the Delhi.
Sir, as she said that the people who are living luxurious life, they are having stress and depression. So let me tell her that the ratio of having depression, those who people have depression, the ratio of those people are more in comparison to in common life. The people have more depression than luxurious life because they stress about how will we like gain tomorrow's expenses. They stress about tomorrow's expenses.
Suppose you are in ICU in a hospital and you have lot of money and you are belonging to a luxurious life, but a doctor can't save you. So which type of money is there your?
So let me tell her that if a person is not saved in a hospital in India, so a luxurious person.
An example of Rajni sir. Now he is just a luxurious person, but he can't save his eye. Now he is saving because of a God, not a luxurious, not a money.
So if he had that much money, he would have gone to abroad for his like treatment.
Abroad. Just listen. If a God don't want, so you can't. You go abroad or you visited all India. You can't.
It is also rich person. God is rich. Which type of
rich person? God tell you that.
So first. So you are saying that depression. So in common family, all are saying that money because they don't have money, they don't have much money and they.
By saying Elon Musk, you can't become a Elon Musk. Okay?
So I don't become Elon Musk. So
Why can I not become Elon Musk?
yes, I will become Elon Musk by my study, by my future, by my all things. And how can you say that I will not become Elon Musk?
There are many persons who are more educated than the other person, but the Elon Musk, by his talent, he is the trillionaire.
Yes.
There are many persons, they are well educated more than Elon Musk, but I can say that because of his talent and because of his hard work and because of belonging a common family to change the common family, that way he's become a trillionaire.
Oh my God, today. What do you want to say?
So if you don't have money, so how would you go to foreign? How would you go to abroad? And how would you make the?
Who wants to approach this guy? Oh yes, stand up.
If you have already a luxurious life, so why you want to change your life? If you have a common life, so you will think that and you will work hard to change your life.
All right, yes. Today this girl is
So
celebrating her friend's birthday.
So everyone is working hard. So everyone is working hard to get good thing. You want to get luxury life because luxury life is more good. And I want to also oppose a point that she has said that you can find comfort in hut. If comfort is found in hut, why everyone is not living in hut?
All right, yes.
I will tell you, Mr. Adas, that a person who live in the village, they have much peace in their mind. They are not, and I will tell you that if the person has luxury life, they had much difference in their mind. Like in our, like I will say the live example of our Rajneesh sir. I will live the example of in my family, my maternal uncle. He has much luxury life, but what is happening? They cannot go in their relatives. They cannot talk their kith and kin because they doesn't have time. Which type of luxury times the person if the person doesn't come to you, that how you are the which type of luxury life, that you are in your room, you are in the room and you are in the home. That's why I have much money.
Right, the person is there for person. The person is not for money, right? That's why common life is better. Please take it now. Yes.
Common people think that how to get success, how to earn money,
Yes, who
and
gonna-
how
who
to
gonna give the
and
answer
to
to this one?
rise better than
Anybody
common
else over
life.
there?
Common life.
Please, anybody else? Who will I give? Yes, carry on. You keep on speaking, please.
So common life think that how to get a success, how to earn money. So why is better than common life?
आज तो सब लोग छक गए आज कोई नहीं कह रहा कि सर बस सर और क्योंकि आज मतलब